Yeah, right. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kunshprit Arora from Team Breaks, and it is a patent pending product from the Angeras India Private Limited. Next slide, please. Next. So, as you all know, that today India is the world's third largest garbage generator. Next, next, and of which the plastic, which is the major contribution to these waste, we produced around 9.5 million tons of plastic waste annually. Next. And the second largest waste that contribute to the third largest waste generator of the title to the India is 20 to 30 million tons of construction waste. Next. And so here we are with a bricks that is converting this plastic and demolition waste all together using our eco-friendly technology and sustainable technology to make good quality bricks. These bricks is 30% lighter in weight, 80% waterproof and 20% stronger if compared to the standard red clay bricks. Next. Why we choose brick and brick industry? Because brick industry today is the second largest most polluting industry, and also the India is the second largest producer of bricks after China. It uses 1,000 million tons of coal, fertile soil and water, and it only operates for 6 to 8 dry months only, hence making it highly unsustainable industry for our country. Next slide, please. And if we see towards our process, can you play this video? Yeah. Whereas our process is very eco-friendly and sustainable. It comprises of few simple steps where we use crush crusher for the crushing demolition waste. Then this waste segregated and saving into the required meat. There is on the other side the plastic waste. We use shredder to shred this plastic waste according to our requirements. This is the shredded MLP PET that we are using to make these bricks, and it goes to the extruder, which is designed by our own team, and also we are filing the patent for this. And the whole process where it goes for mixing and drying and compacting, and then it goes into the molding. Here we are showing a small cube because it was easy to record this, and then it goes for compression. Now if we compare our bricks to the red clay bricks, we see that red clay it start deteriorating, it start breaking, and whereas the bricks stand itself. Next slide, please. Next slide. So if we compare on the parameters, why our bricks is very better in quality, that I'm saying that it's high quality because it's only one day manufacturing as compared to the other bricks. Also bricks is recyclable. You can again after 50 to 60 years send back to the manufacturing unit and get it recycled and can again be sold into the industry, in the construction industry. It is waterproof, it is recyclable, it is lightweight, and the cost, which is the main parameter to compare with the other bricks, it also very equivalent. Even in some areas it is cheaper. If we compare the tier 1 and tier 2 cities, it is cheaper than the red clay bricks or other kind of bricks into the market. Next slide, please. We are proposing a bricks for the non-load-bearing structures, and the secondary structures like boundary walls for making the government schools, the public toilets for rural India, and the government offices. And also these are waterproof, so we are proposing for sewage tank and underground tanks. These bricks can be also used for the paving in gardens and garden walls. Next slide, please. So we are giving back to these bricks to the society, that it can be used by the local urban bodies. If we see the first initial impact that we can create, we are forecasting to sell around 5 lakhs of bricks in 1 year, and this can reduce around to 1,000 to 50 ton of waste per year to generate 25 lakhs of revenue, and hence reducing this whole amount of waste with zero residue left behind. Next slide, please. It is environment sustainable. We are using 100% waste material, including 13% of plastic waste. We use no water, no soil, no coal, no cement or any other chemical. Only 100% waste that is thrown on the dumping yard or landslide. And yeah, next slide, please. These are some of the samples. It is NABL approved, tested in NABL approved laboratory. The compressive strength is very equivalent to the first class red clay bricks, which is 10 megapascal, and water absorption is only 4%, which compared to red clay bricks, which has 20%. Next slide, please. Our approach, we need help from the local government bodies or local urban bodies to help us provide the waste. This waste is being collected and segregated and sent to the manufacturing unit, Angiras Brick Manufacturing Plant, where we convert these plastic and construction demolition waste into the brick, which will be sent to the contractors, government officials at very minimal cost, which is 5 or 6 rupees per bricks. And then this can be used for the affordable housing schemes, RPM schemes, and schools, public toilets, community structures, infrastructures, etc. Next slide, please. Now I leave this to you to choose smartly. Do you choose red clay bricks, which releases 100 gram of CO2, or you want to use our bricks, which uses 2.5 kg of waste, including 30% of plastic waste? Next slide, please. Our vision, BRICS, is focused to help the brick manufacturers by providing an eco-friendly and sustainable technology, while also helping the government bodies or urban bodies with the problem associated with the waste management. Not only plastic waste, but also the other municipal waste and industrial waste, and also solving the problem of our central government, which is air pollution from the brick kilns. Next slide, please. We have recently incorporated, we are recognized by Startup India. We are very, and also we have secured operational construction demolition waste plant from Udaipur Municipal Corporation to make bricks in partner with them for the supply of waste. And we have also received our first initial order of 30,000 bricks to fulfill this in the next month. We have also received grants from up to around 20 lakhs from the organization like AICT, IIT Madras, and Eco Grants. Yeah, that's it. Next slide, please. Our team comprises of Lokesh Puri Goswami, he's the head of product development. Me, I'm the head of business operations, and I'm a mentor, Dr. Pankaj Purwa, he's the principal at Techno India India. Next slide, please. We have been recognized by Dainik Bhaskar, the New Indian Express, Daily, and Better India magazine, and also by Your Story, and supported by various other organizations like IIT Madras, IB Hub, Center for Youth, IIM Udaipur, AICTA. Next slide, please. Thank you so much for listening to me, and thank you AICTA for having me here.
Thank you, Ms. Arora, for joining today. So you are basically converting the plastic waste into bricks. Now, will it have any health impact? If I build my toilet block, or if I build my compound wall with your bricks, will it cause any problem to me?
No, sir, absolutely no.
So have you got it tested?
So we have done the thermal conductivity test, which is very equivalent to the red clay bricks.
Okay, and in this process, you are actually saving a lot of topsoil. You're saving the environment, and you're also shortage of material in this sector. So you're going to actually help address the shortage. Now there is a question: how bricks are fire resistant? What if there is a fire?
So we are also trying to find solution for this fire problem, and therefore we are not proposing our bricks for the load bearing structure. Therefore I said we are proposing our bricks for the non-load bearing structures and secondary structures. And also we are using marble slurry, which is a fire retardant.
Okay, that's good. So I think there are many municipalities, many individuals, they have a lot of structures which are non-load bearing.
Yes, sir.
Walls. So I think this is a great solution. Thank you, Ms. Arora. And there are a couple of more questions in the chat box. So please respond to some of those questions, please. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much, sir.